So in this video, you'll learn how to restore deleted voice recordings on your Samsung Galaxy S25. So if you've accidentally deleted a voice recording and you want to restore it so that it's no longer in the recycle bin, this is what you need to do. Start by opening the voice recorder app. Then from here, you want to tap on this hamburger icon in the top left corner. Next, select recycle bin. And then under recycle bin, you should see the voice recordings you've deleted in the last 30 days. Once you've found the voice recording you wish to restore, just tap on edit and then select it. If you have multiple recordings, then you can also choose to select multiple. And if you're restoring all the voice recordings, you can just tap on all in the top left corner, and all the recordings that are currently in this list will be selected. Once you've selected your voice recording or recordings, tap on restore all, and then the voice recordings will be restored. To confirm that, just go back to the main menu for recordings, and under the section all recordings, you should see your restored options. So now you can go back and listen to the exact same voice recordings that you had previously deleted. Thank you for watching. If you had any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.